Now, I picked up the solar irrigation system from the Amazon team, and of course we want to see it working, which I am going to do a separate video for, but this one I just wanted to see what the quality was like, because I have been putting this off for quite some time because I was very skeptical what the build quality was going to be like. So I bought this myself and I want to see what it is, and I'm going to share it with you so you can see as well, if you agree with me, what the quality is like. In the box you get your instructions, looks like some warranties as well. It is a solar powered unit rather than mains, which was what I actually specifically wanted. I didn't want one to the mains because I didn't want to have the hassle of having to set up a main system. Got the irrigation pipe there. Feels firm enough. That's okay. I did genuinely find it quite intimidating, so this is making me feel a lot better that I'm going to be able to set it up properly. And this is what I was very curious about. These are the water drippers. They feel like a decent quality. They go in the ends there and they drip the water out into the base of the plant. That's good. Got some sort of filter there, which again, when I set it up, I'll show you that in a separate video. You've got your wall mount for your unit there. We've got the solar panel. This is what I was concerned about, what the quality was going to be like. I have got some solar lights and things, and they're not the most sturdy sort of things, so I was concerned about this. But look, this is actually a really solid, hefty unit. This is actually much better quality than I was anticipating. What's this here? Guess some kind of kickstand. Yeah, so you can rest it on the floor, which is a nice touch. You've got your rod there to stand it up if you want to position it. The quality of this makes me feel a lot better. And then we've got the unit itself. So you've got your on, off, and you've got your various modes, how frequently you want to water it. I'm going to be putting mine in my greenhouse. So I think I'm going to be adjusting this throughout the season. At the beginning of the season, when it's not so hot, it's going to be probably hourly. This feels like a nice build quality, which is reassuring again. You've got your hooks there to hook it up. You can screw it to your fence. You don't have to, you could just have it laying down, I guess, which is probably what I'm going to be doing because it's going to be in my greenhouse. So that is just the first look to get my impressions of quality. I feel very relieved that this is a nicer quality than I anticipated. I cannot wait to get it all set up. And overall, my impressions are, it seems like a really good build quality.